My most cherished memory of SPCE is Protocol 98. We were the very first batch of IT. It was up to us to choose the name, figure out the format, and lay the foundation for making the departmental symposium happen. It was an excellent experience. Everybody came together, from the paper presentations to the quizzes and the fun extra activities that we planned for the day. It was truly a great memory, a great event. From decorating the buses, putting out the posters, the invitations, and planning the whole event was one of the best episodes and best events that I can remember very clearly from SPC.
Hi, my name is Ven Madhav. I'm from the first batch of IT, SVCE 1996 to 2000. First of all, I would like to congratulate the SVCE IT department for celebrating their 25 years of Silver Jubilee, and they've done a tremendous job in building a good IT department. I am from Hyderabad and I run a company called Pegasus Health Systems, which works on healthcare technologies here. So my favorite teacher is Urgvel sir. I think he strongly believed that I will do well in my life more than what I believed in myself. My favorite place would definitely be Nayar Kadai and the cricketing ground abutting to it. I'm sure it doesn't exist right now, but it would give us a different perspective of college, and it was like a backbenchers hadda. And also the cricketing ground where we played a lot of cricket. To give you a piece of trivia, the first IT batch never won a cricket match. The only match we were able to win, it rained heavily. So all the departments would treat us as underdogs. As we were the first batch, we never had any labs of our own. So we used to share labs with EEE, CS and ECE. And maybe because of that, we had the urge to do our symposium really well, and we had one of the best symposiums ever done in the college history, which was Protocol 98. Another piece of trivia I would give you was 60% of our class did internship at Satyam. When the rest of the departments like CS were struggling to get company internships, we had collectively worked, and I think we enjoyed every bit of our journey at SPC. To those who would like to set up startups, my advice would be that I've learned a lot from my failures than from my successes. So I would advise you to fail faster than your competition to become successful. I wish all of you good luck, and I hope to see some of you in the college and learn about the cool technologies you guys are working, maybe after COVID. Stay safe. Thanks.
What's my most cherished memory at SPC? All our memories and moments that associate with SPC are really cherishable and are being cherished by all of us. There's so many of them, right from the bus journey and playing the cassettes, and there used to be a fight between the Ilayaraja fans and the A.R. Rahman fans. All that, and how we used to prepare at the last moment for all the exams, just over the phone, discussing stuff and learning from each other. Everything was fun. Or there have been ups and downs, but looking back, it always brings a smile to all of our faces. But thinking back, the most cherished moment that for me at SVCE would be when we actually went back to SVCE a couple of years back. So it was really nostalgic. Everything was the same. The building. Some of the staff were there, so we went and spoke to them. So it was really nostalgic. Only thing that the kids were looking at us like, have they come for admission for the children? So that really brought goosebumps to both of us, and that will be my most cherished moment at SVC.
Hey everyone, this is Deepa. And I have a good question here. What is my favorite memory of SPCE? While there are too many to name, my favorite memory is singing Ilamai Edo Edo in a male voice. I think that represents the essence of what SPCE taught me, which is to hang loose, have fun and enjoy the journey. college days, fun days. Go SPCE 2000 IT batch.
Hi friends, my name is Karthik. I was part of the 2000 batch, the very first batch of IT that passed out of SVCE. It is my absolute pleasure and honor to be talking to every one of you today. I really miss my friends. I really miss the college. I miss those grand old days. It was a fun, unbelievable time. Let me see what we have here. What was your most favorite moment in college? To be honest, my most favorite moment in college was actually in our final year, because that's when I think everybody gelled as one group. We had lots of fun in the final year, especially during our project time, when we all got together and when we all had to do our different projects and understand what was going on. But I think the best time that we had was when we took an impromptu group trip to, I think it was Muttikadu. That was an unbelievable time, and then we also followed it up with a grand dinner at GRT Grand Days, I think, if I'm not wrong. Those were unbelievable times, and I really miss you all. My only advice to our younger generation is that always keep your mind open and never let your thirst for knowledge expire. Always keep wanting to learn new things, and my parting advice, also develop a hobby. Because what completes a person is not just the work that they do, but the hobby that they have, the interest that they have outside of work. So keep that, cultivate that, keep that option open, and it will be awesome. Thank you, have a good day, wish you all the best.
What is your most cherished memory from SVCE? My most cherished memory from SVCE is the lunches. My friend Mona, her mom makes excellent gobi Manchurian and fried rice. Anita brings puri and potatoes. So many yummy dishes. I still remember it like yesterday. I cannot believe that 25 years have passed so quickly. All the sharing, caring, and being there for each other in those 4 years are just unforgettable. By 11 o'clock, our lunch dabbas would be all empty, and we would raid the cafeteria around lunchtime for more food. It was the time period in my life that I ate the most without any guilt. It was also the time period in my life that I laughed so much without limits. I wish for each one of you to have the same fun and frolic that we all had. Good luck and make it a memorable one. Bye-bye.
What is my favorite spot on SVCE campus? That's easy. My favorite place in SVCE is definitely the staircase outside every block, because that's where we have spent most of our time singing songs, watching birds, and cracking jokes and having a jolly good life. Sitting in lockdown for more than a year now, it still brings a smile to go back to those cherished memories. SVCE has been a wonderful stepping stone for my journey afterwards. It's probably the only time when I had lots of fun and still took many major life-altering decisions without a worry in the world. We were the first batch of IT students, and it's hard to believe that we are completing 25 years now. I wish everyone the best. Thank you all for the lovely experience. Stay safe and happy Silver Jubilee. Bye.
Hi, I'm Narayanan. I finished engineering in 2000. Let me see what I have here. So who was the most inspiring person at SPCE? Actually, a lot of people, friends, professors, lab attendants. So I would call out just one person, one lab attendant who inspired me. I forgot his name, unfortunately. If you know, please let me know. So he used to carry the Java 1.1 Unleashed book, always with him. So I got curious and I borrowed the book from him, and I started learning Java, did my final year project in Java. So here I am, still using it. I made a career out of it. So that is one thing I can remember. So, and வயசாயிடுச்சுல அட்வைஸ் எதாவது சொல்லணும். So world is one. Wherever you are, you will get an opportunity. You can work from anywhere. I think that is going to be the case. You can work for any company in the world. Digital transformation is just getting started. So good luck. So if you're ready, there is always an opportunity. So you should be willing to spend the time and keep learning. And there is room for everybody. Doesn't mean that you have to code. It doesn't mean that you have to be a good leader. Whatever you are, there is always room for everybody. There's like tons of opportunities. Everybody is hiring, and this lack of labor. So tap the opportunity. Good luck to you all.
Hi friends, hello everyone. This is Karthik.
I'm Narayanan.
Wish you all the very best. Thank you Kritika, thank you HOD ma'am for organizing this wonderful event. We are so sorry that we are not able to make it in person, but you have done a wonderful job and we really look forward to meeting everybody. Thank you all. God bless.
Cheers.
Take care.